Welcome to AI Beat, the podcast where we distill the latest breakthroughs shaping the future of artificial intelligence. If you enjoy staying ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter for the freshest insights delivered straight to your inbox. Now let's dive into this week's most impactful trends. This week, AI is rewriting the rules across healthcare, infrastructure, cybersecurity, and enterprise data. The landscape is evolving rapidly with advances that not only improve efficiency but also elevate safety and privacy standards. Starting with healthcare, AI is making significant strides in early detection and personalized treatment. A recent systematic review has shown that machine learning models are now outperforming traditional methods in diagnosing oral cancer. By analyzing biomarkers with high precision, these models are speeding up early diagnosis and helping doctors tailor treatments more effectively. This marks a leap toward more personalized, proactive oncology care. In the realm of acute care, a breakthrough from UT Southwestern highlights how advanced language models like GPT-4o are transforming emergency diagnostics. Researchers demonstrated that GPT-4o can accurately identify stroke types directly from unstructured clinical notes. This capability allows clinicians to interpret complex data faster, supporting quicker, more targeted interventions, potentially saving lives in critical moments. Moving into pediatric health, Northwestern University's latest research shows AI's promise in predicting sepsis risk among children. By analyzing patient data proactively, these models enable healthcare providers to intervene earlier, reducing the risk of critical deterioration. It's a clear example of predictive analytics reshaping pediatric care, saving lives through early action. On the enterprise side, privacy remains a paramount concern. Red Hat has recently updated its privacy policy, emphasizing stronger data governance and transparency. As AI systems handle more sensitive information, such commitments to privacy and compliance are becoming a key differentiator for organizations aiming to build trust and meet regulatory standards. In government and defense, privacy-first AI solutions are gaining traction. Oracle and Duality have launched a new platform that prioritizes data privacy and regulatory compliance. For public sector agencies, this means harnessing the power of AI without compromising security or transparency, an essential step as AI becomes central to national security and governance. Infrastructure is also accelerating. Flex introduced a new AI infrastructure platform that can speed deployment by up to 30%. This faster rollout capability is critical for organizations looking to scale AI initiatives quickly, reducing time to value and enabling more agile digital transformation. Financial markets are not left behind. LSEG and Microsoft have integrated AI-ready financial data into Microsoft Copilot Studio, empowering enterprises to build smarter workflows. This seamless access to rich AI-optimized data is fueling more autonomous decision-making, making markets more efficient and responsive. Cybersecurity remains a top priority, especially with the increasing sophistication of hardware supply chain threats. Researchers at the University of Missouri have developed an AI-driven method that detects hardware trojans in chips with an impressive 97% accuracy. Protecting global chip supply chains from malicious tampering is vital for maintaining trust and security in our increasingly digital world. In the field of personalized medicine, machine learning models are now helping predict survival outcomes for aggressive cancers like angioimmunoblastic T-cell lymphoma. These tools are advancing precision oncology, enabling doctors to tailor treatments based on individual prognoses, offering new hope for patients with rare diseases. Finally, the physical world is seeing a revolution with Hypastructure's launch of a distributed edge cloud network designed for physical AI. Powered by Intel Gaudi 3 accelerators, this infrastructure supports real-time, decentralized intelligence at the edge, transforming how physical systems sense, analyze, and respond instantly. These stories illustrate a common theme. AI is becoming more integrated, more secure, and more capable of delivering tangible benefits across all sectors. From early detection in healthcare to faster AI deployment and enhanced security, the innovations of 2025 are setting the stage for a smarter, safer future. Thanks for listening to this week's highlights. If these trends inspire questions or ideas, reply and share your insights. After all, the future of AI is a collaborative journey. Your voice helps shape the next wave of innovation. Stay curious, stay informed, and see you next time on AI Beat.